you guys, so as you can tell from the title of the video, I said yes. I'm just gonna y'all. No, it's not what you think. I'm so sorry. I know some of y'all got excited and some of y'all probably got real upset, but no, it's not what you think. I'm not engaged or anything like that. I'm still single as fuck. Sorry, I am. But yeah, so the reason I said yes is I said yes to this company called Hearttell Limited Company. I think that's the name, Limited? Yeah. Hearttell. Anyway, I'll scroll it across the screen so you guys can see. Now, they specialize in wedding rings, engagement rings, wedding bands for men and for women. So if you guys are looking for affordable wedding rings or affordable engagement rings, fellas, you know, ladies, even ladies, because, you know, these days in time, everybody getting married, everybody getting engaged. So if you want something that's not going to break your pockets, break the bank, and you just going crazy trying to find the perfect ring, I need you to check out this site. So right now they're having a Valentine's Day sale, and I will post all of the coupon codes that you guys can use to take an additional 15% off. No, not yet. 15% off, 20% off, and even 10% off. So I'll leave those codes going across the screen, and I'll also leave them down below in the description box. So be sure to check them out. So enough about that. This company reached out to me and I was like, yeah, of course I want to review one of your rings or whatever. Thank you. So it came in this pretty packaging. I know I destroyed it. I was actually, funny story, I was actually I thought that this was a wig. Like when I first got the package, I was like, wow, that's kind of small to be a wig, but you never know because my wig companies love, you know, compact packages. So I thought it was a wig, so I was like, okay, I got on camera, I'm gonna show y'all a little clip. I get on camera, I'm like, yeah, I'm about to do another wig review, because you know I always open up the wigs with you guys, and to my surprise it was actually my ring. So it came in that pretty packaging that you guys are seeing in the clip, and it also came in this box. It was nice, tied up, pretty ribbon. So once I saw this, I was like, oh, that's my ring. So inside of the box, this is what it looks like, which makes it so pretty. First of all, this purple lavenderish color is so pretty. It does have the name of the company on the box itself. Love that. And so this is the packaging again. This is the box that the ring is in. I have not seen this yet, so when I open it, I'm going to be opening up with you guys. So yeah, I definitely want to get that out the way. They do have this nice little cleaning cloth. I'm assuming that's what this is. Very nice. Very nice quality. I'm a sucker for packaging, y'all. If it's nice packaging, I'm in. So, and this is a little bag in case you just don't want to give the box. You can just put it in this bag. And that is really nice. And then it has all of this cute stuff. So, let's open this ring. Let's open this ring. I ain't engaged. I'm still single, but I'm gonna fake it till I make it. So this is the packaging right here. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't even want to open it because the ribbon is so perfect. But we're gonna open anyway. Open. Oh wow, look at that. It's like Christmas. You just opening stuff and just getting nicer stuff. Like, wow, really? Who does that? Love this company so far. Alright, so the ring is in here, you guys. Look at it. It's such a cute little baggie. That's so cute. Oh, I'm so happy. I love it. It's like Christmas. Oh. And I did choose my ring. So this is my ring right here. Oh, I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see. That is so pretty. Beautiful. Side. So y'all see that? So of course I know you saw that it did have a tag. They did ask me what size is my finger, And I've known my ring size since I was a teenager, so it never changed. My ring size is a 7. It's not falling off, it's not slipping, it's a perfect 7. So this is my ring, and I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. Again, if you guys are looking for an affordable wedding ring, or even for your man, your husband, or you know, husband to be, say he lost his ring or he's always losing his ring or something like that, anything like that, you can always check out this site. They have beautiful rings. I was able to choose my ring and I chose this one. I'll have the exact ring that I have on here down below in the description box, so check there in case you want to know exactly which ring I have, because I don't have any like a paper or anything like that telling me, yeah, I don't have, it didn't come with that to tell me exactly which ring it is. But I do remember it's in my emails which ring I chose, so I will be sharing that with you guys down below. So check and use those coupon codes. Use them. I tell y'all this all the time. If I have a coupon code down here, use it, get some money off, and you'll love it. So look, like, what? I'm married now. Nah. I do love it. It's very pretty. Yeah, so that's all I have to say. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're going to purchase a ring, or if you was looking for a site like this. Let me know down below in the comment section, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.